Welcome! In today's video, we will showcase a perfume labeling solution, CX86e, the world's smallest LED dry toner color label printer. Compact, efficient, and designed for premium packaging, this machine is the perfect choice for perfume labeling. Let's explore some of its standout features. First, the Unwinder system, which guarantees smooth handling of label rolls for uninterrupted production. And with the ability to print labels up to 86 millimeters wide, the CX86e offers incredible flexibility for a variety of packaging needs. Next, the CMY ink toner, delivering precise color reproduction with cyan, magenta, and yellow. Finally, the 3 LED technology, ensuring sharp, consistent, and accurate printing results. Now, watch as the CX86e brings perfume labels to life. From fine text to intricate designs, every detail is captured with stunning clarity. It is also the world's smallest LED dry toner color label printer, combining compact design with professional-grade output. The CX86e proves that small can be powerful, delivering unmatched performance, versatility, and quality for your labeling needs. The results speak for themselves. On Kraft material, the labels gain a unique, textured, eco-friendly look, perfect for premium perfume packaging. To know more about labeling and packaging solutions, subscribe to our channel or visit labelgraph.com.